Welcome back. Well, 2 years ago, the first bank under Sharia law was registered, spilling optimism of including the Muslim community into the mainstream banking sector. This year, the first insurance company under Sharia law compliance was registered, bringing hopes of the Islamic community active and equal participation in the insurance sector. Lawrence Jenga looks into this unique concept of insurance and its impact in East Africa.
Going by the 2010 census results, there are 4.3 million Muslims in Kenya. Funny enough, this group of people have over the years been alienated by banks and insurance firms based on their different religion and culture modules. However, 2 years after the registration of the first Sharia-compliant bank in Kenya, the first Sharia-compliant insurance firm in Kenya has been formed as the race for Islamic cash intensifies. The firm will operate as Takaful Company Limited.
Takaful is a system of insurance which is based on fundamental underlying principles derived from the Sharia, Islamic Sharia.
Under the model, people seeking insurance cover will pay premiums to a collective fund from which payments will be made to members who suffer from the risk covered.
Basically, it's an ethical scheme that is meant to bring together members of the public to pool their resources together, make it possible for them to more or less replace the conventional insurer with their own pool and therefore insure themselves.
But unlike conventional insurance practice, any residue cash after all payments have been made in the financial year is paid out to members as profit, something that is totally different in the conventional insurance where profits are plowed back for investments. This means that the new insurance model, known in the Islamic parlance as Takaful, is both an investment offering as much as it covers members. But just what are the products that will be on offer?
The license we have been given is General Takaful license, and therefore does not cover life. As a result of that, we are not going to offer to the market life products. We're going to offer general products.
Takaful Chief Executive Officer Hassan Bashir says Muslims have shielded away from most conventional financial services as their faith prohibits them from investments that earn interest. But the new insurance company will change this and offer avenues to be at par with other classes of people.
You can see us, look at us as perhaps the equity of insurance, if you will. A company that is interested in the people who are in the villages, the farmers, the single grade cow owner, the single small shop owner in the villages. This is the long-term target.
Since the launch of Sharia-compliant banking and now insurance firms, economic experts see the government being able to diversify the base for investors bidding for government debt papers, given the cash flush investors from East and West who have shown interest in East Africa as an investment destination. The insurance finance model is a niche that is hugely unexploited and offers favorable returns to investors. However, its launch for the first time in East Africa comes with its own challenges.
Takaful being a new concept and being a Sharia-based concept lends itself to knowledge of Islamic finance and insurance. As you are probably very well aware, this new idea is not in the curriculum of our schools right now, colleges and so on, and universities. So that's one area of challenge we will face. We will have to train quite a lot of people within a short time.
Lawrence Jenga, reporting for Channel 1, Bizweek.
That marks the end of another program tonight. Thank you very much. And remember to join us next week as we look at how the unrest in the Arab world is going to affect the Kenyan economy. I am O'Brien Kimani. Thank you very much for your time. And until then, it is bye for now.